Hello everybody, 9:27, 30 seconds, Friday, May 31st. This is mini number 1 for the two Darkseid books, the Jimmy Olsen 134 and the Forever People 1, both 8.0. Over here at the 16 filled spots, my apologies, but over here are the 16 filled spots. That'll go down in a second. First place is going to get the first 5 open spots in the main. Second place is going to get the next 2 open spots in the main. And third place will get the final single available spot in the main. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 8. Best of luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here comes the final one, 8. Jason Caraway comes in first. Steve Oberholzer comes in second. Justin Deldone comes in third. So it's 5, 2, 1. Time is 9:28:35.